Listen, I'm not here to sell you a dream. I'm just a regular guy who figured out how to make enough money to live life on my terms. No boss, no alarm clocks, and no stress about bills. And the crazy part? It's easier than you think. No gimmicks, no get-rich-quick nonsense, just real strategies that actually work. See, these guys make millions selling you courses. But I'm going to break it down for you for free. The only difference between people who make it and those who don't? They take action. So if you're ready to stop scrolling and start building a life where money and time aren't limitations, let's go. Chapter 1. The Reality Check. Let's start with this. Information is free. Everything you need to succeed is already out there. So why do most people fail? Because they don't know where to start, they overcomplicate it, and they never execute. That's what this video is for. I'll give you a simple, proven system to go from zero to financial freedom. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Money comes from solving problems. The bigger the problem you solve, the more you make. And thanks to the internet, you can do this from anywhere. Chapter 2. The 3 Pillars of Online Income. 1. Skill. Money follows skills. Pick one thing and get good at it. Writing, video editing, marketing, coding, whatever. Spend a few weeks learning and practicing. Don't waste time overthinking. 2. Attention. If no one knows you exist, you won't make money. Start posting content. TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn. Pick one and flood it with value. Document your journey. 3. Monetization. Once you have a skill and attention, people will pay you. Sell a service, create a digital product, start a coaching program, do affiliate marketing. It doesn't matter. Just start. Chapter 3. Fastest way to start making money. If you're broke and need money now, here's the fastest way. Freelancing. Step 1. Pick a skill: copywriting, video editing, coding, social media management. Step 2. Watch 5 to 10 hours of free YouTube tutorials and practice. Step 3. Create a simple portfolio. Even if you've never worked before, make samples. Step 4. Start offering your service on Upwork, Fiverr, Twitter, LinkedIn. Step 5. Land your first client, over-deliver, get testimonials, and scale. This is literally how thousands of people escape 9 to 5S. Some stay freelancers. Others use it as a stepping stone to start their own businesses. Either way, it gets you paid fast. Chapter 4. Building a scalable income. If you want to stop trading time for money, you need to scale. Here's how you do it. Productize your skills, create templates, guides, digital products, build an audience, YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, free marketing, leverage automation, use tools and systems to make money while you sleep. This is how people go from $1,000 to $10,000 to $100,000 plus a month. Final chapter. By now you know exactly how to start. The only thing stopping you? You. If you watch this and do nothing, you'll be in the exact same spot next year. Or you can take action today and completely change your life. No boss. No limits. Just freedom. Subscribe if you want more no BS breakdowns on making money and building a life of freedom. If you have questions, drop them in the comments. I answer everything. Now go take action.